was very nice today. Here on the 27th of April 2025, and we have Engelbrekts exhibit 3, staircase E here. Here in Sollentuna, Stockholm County, Sweden, built in 1998, probably the beginning of 98, the symbol is H5783. Capacity is 13% as grams, and all elements features proper rolling here. And yeah. Unfortunately, the staircase F is going to be better than which breaks, so what can I say something, but we just filmed it already.
Yeah, probably all staircase.
Yeah, but there's no information on the other staircases yet. And then we have filmed the staircases C and this is staircase E. The F is filmed.
Yeah.
And which one other one did we yet film? Oh, we have A, B, D left.
Yeah, inspected by inspectant, maintained by no, yes it is, unfortunately. Kone would have been much better.
Of course. And calculated 6 has filmed the staircase G, which I will try to film from another photo of my home group.
Yeah.
They are really difficult, but it doesn't at least now seem to be completely impossible to get inside, but very difficult.
Yeah.
But I hope that we can get the staircases A, B, and D as soon as possible. Or is it D?
Yeah, D.
Yeah, A, B, D. Yeah. Those three we still need at least. And G, I could take a photo of my own.
Yeah.
I know there is another one why they have to start rising so early.
Yeah.
This is so fresh.
Yeah.
It's a bit more than 25 now, but it's
Yeah. Staircase F only has 6 apartments.
and 3 floors and still bad
Yeah.
to generate more.
Yeah.
So completely unnecessary.
Yeah. Also this one has 6 apartments. Okay. That's
That's it. Thank you very much for watching.